Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best outdoor ladder is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast, offering unparalleled access to those hard-to-reach places around your property, from cleaning gutters and trimming trees to reaching the roof for repairs or simply decorating for the holidays. Choosing the right one can significantly impact your safety, efficiency, and the overall success of your outdoor projects, making it a crucial investment for maintaining and enhancing your home's exterior. This review will guide you through selecting the perfect outdoor ladder that balances durability, portability, and user-friendliness, ensuring you can tackle any task with confidence and ease. Number 5. Little Giant Velocity M22 Multi-Position Aluminum Ladder. We didn't just perfect the multi-position ladder, we invented it. Combining multiple ladder types into one, we set a new standard for versatility, strength, and performance, giving you the ultimate tool for any job. It locks into whatever the job demands, whether it's an A-frame, extension, staircase, or 90-degree wall position. It's built for constant change, rugged job sites, and pros who don't slow down. Uneven ground is no problem. The adjustable leg levelers adjust in seconds, giving you over 7 inches of leveling power for a steady, secure setup wherever the job takes you. The integrated wheels take the weight off, speeding up transport and cutting down fatigue. Your energy belongs on the job, not getting there. It's constructed from lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum that's tough enough for heavy jobs but light enough to move quickly. It's built to resist rust and withstand whatever you throw at it. The built-in tool tray and quick-draw tool holsters keep your essential tools close, secure, and ready for action. You can quickly adjust its height and shape with a simple twist of the patented rapid locks. What we like. This ladder offers unparalleled versatility, adapting to various job needs with its multi-position design. Its ratcheting leg levelers are a game-changer for uneven terrain, ensuring stability wherever you work. If you frequently tackle diverse projects on challenging surfaces or need a tool that can adapt to almost any situation, this is the one for you. What people say. This ladder is incredibly sturdy and feels very safe to use, even at full extension. The telescoping design is a game-changer, making it easy to store and transport. I was impressed by the quality of the materials used, it feels built to last. Number 4. RIKADE Telescoping Ladder. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, this ladder supports up to 330 pounds. It's designed to be rigid and stable, even at its full extension, ensuring safety and reliability for all your tasks. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and folds down to a compact size. This makes it easy to store in your car, under your bed, or in any closet, saving you valuable space. Each rung features 2 independent auto-locking mechanisms that provide a clear click when secured. This ensures the ladder stays firmly in place, preventing accidental collapse while allowing for easy height adjustments. This ladder is perfect for a variety of household needs, from changing light bulbs and accessing attic storage to organizing your garage. It's a simple, reliable tool always ready for everyday tasks. Designed with your safety in mind, each section has a button for smooth retraction, preventing pinched fingers. It also includes a built-in handle and strap for easy one-handed carrying. For added stability, it comes with 2 detachable hooks. These can be used to secure the ladder to walls or edges, providing extra support when you need it most. What we like. This telescoping ladder is incredibly lightweight and folds down to a compact size, making it perfect for those with limited storage space or who need to transport it frequently. The detachable hooks add an extra layer of security when working on edges. If you're looking for a convenient, space-saving solution for everyday household tasks like attic access or garage organization, this ladder is an excellent choice. What people say. This ladder is incredibly sturdy and feels very safe to use, even at full extension. The locking mechanism is robust and easy to operate. I was impressed by the lightweight design. It's surprisingly easy to carry and set up, which is a huge plus for me. The versatility of this ladder is fantastic. It can be configured in multiple ways to tackle different tasks around the house and yard. Number 3. Best Choice Products 4-Step Folding Steel Ladder. Introducing a versatile 4-step ladder designed for all your household tasks. Its sturdy construction ensures stability and safety, making it your go-to for any job. Built with a robust steel frame and an anti-corrosion coating, this ladder can support up to 330 pounds. The anti-slip feet and offset legs provide excellent balance and security. Need to move it? Its lightweight and foldable design makes setup and storage a breeze. Simply lock it in place and tuck it away in your closet or garage. Whether you're cleaning high shelves, decorating, or working on outdoor projects, this ladder is perfect. It provides the reach you need for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Work with confidence thanks to the extra-wide steps featuring rugged surfaces for enhanced grip. The ample platform space accommodates your feet and tools comfortably. This ladder is engineered for ease of use and durability. Its thoughtful design ensures it's ready whenever you need it, providing reliable support for years to come. What we like. This ladder boasts a robust steel frame and extra-wide steps, providing exceptional stability and comfort for extended use. The integrated handrail offers added security, making it ideal for those who prioritize safety and ease of use. If you need a reliable, sturdy ladder for frequent household tasks and appreciate the extra support, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This ladder is very sturdy and well built. It feels safe to use. The telescoping design makes it easy to store and transport. It fits perfectly in my car trunk. I love how adjustable this ladder is. I can set it to the exact height I need for different tasks. Number 2. HBTower 12.5-foot red aluminum telescoping ladder. Meet the HBTower 12.5 feet telescoping ladder, your new go-to for any task. It's designed for both convenience and reliability. Experience significantly reduced wobble thanks to our innovative triangle stabilizers. This design enhances stability by 36%, offering a much more secure climbing experience. Safety is paramount. Each section retracts smoothly and slowly with smart locking pins that ensure it stays securely in place, preventing accidental slips. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, this ladder is built to last. It's strong enough to support up to 330 pounds and withstand various environmental conditions. Whether you're working indoors, like changing light bulbs, or tackling outdoor projects such as roof repairs or accessing your RV, this ladder is perfect for all your needs. Its lightweight and collapsible design, along with a convenient fixed belt, makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. It fits perfectly in your car trunk or any corner of your home. What we like. With its innovative triangle stabilizers, this telescoping ladder significantly reduces wobble, offering a more secure climbing experience. The smart locking pins ensure each section retracts safely and smoothly. If you're working at heights or in situations where stability is paramount, such as RV maintenance or roof repairs, this ladder provides the confidence you need. What people say. The ladder is very sturdy and feels safe to use. It's lightweight and easy to carry around the yard. The telescoping design makes it compact for storage. Number 1. 16.5 feet telescoping aluminum ladder. This ladder extends from a compact 2.8 feet to an impressive 16.5 feet. It's designed for easy extension and retraction, making it convenient for storage and transport. With independent locking mechanisms on each rung, you can adjust its height precisely for any job. This makes tasks like changing light bulbs or painting walls much simpler. Built with a durable aluminum frame, it features secure locking latches and anti-slip rubber feet for maximum stability. It's also EN 131 certified for your peace of mind. This ladder is perfect for a wide range of tasks, both inside and outside your home. It's an essential tool for any household or professional toolkit, helping you reach those tricky spots. Before use, ensure it's placed upright and all locks are securely engaged. Never move it while someone is on it, and retract it carefully from the bottom, keeping fingers clear of the rungs. What we like. This telescoping ladder offers a wide range of adjustable heights, allowing you to customize it for specific tasks from changing light bulbs to painting walls. Its EN 131 certification guarantees safety standards are met, and it compacts down for easy storage and transport. If you need a versatile ladder that can be precisely adjusted for various indoor and outdoor projects and value certified safety, this is a practical choice. What people say. The ladder is very sturdy and well built, making it feel safe to use. It's lightweight and easy to carry around the yard. The telescoping design allows it to be stored in a small space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.